Alright, just a quick video for this. This is a Kriss Vector post 2017 model, so it doesn't have the folding molded into the actual lower or upper receiver. So there's a lot of, actually there's not too many videos out there on how to actually put a folding stock or brace, as in this case, on the newer Kriss Vectors. YetiWorks makes an adapter for the actual Kriss brand folding stock, and then you can get a tail hook and an adapter for the tail hook and then make it a brace. That's $300 or so right there, just for those parts. I actually ordered that YetiWorks one and I have it, but then I decided to go a different route and I found this. So it's the SB Tactical BTFA. I don't know if this is still being made. Availability was mixed. I actually found it, I think MSRP was $150 or something, but it was on Optics Planet on sale for $112 or something when I just bought it a couple days ago with 2-day shipping. So what it is it's just an M4 style buffer tube attachment. So you unscrew 2 screws inside this unit, and it puts a little plate, a little threaded plate down in there, and you put it a little deeper than the edge, and then you screw it in and it pulls this whole unit into the stock or into the weapon so it doesn't turn. And then, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand, there's a button on this side. So you press the button and it folds. Alright, and it locks. It's a little wobbly, a little bit. I don't know if that's because the safety is blocking it from fully going, but there's the you can see right there the 2 screws and the latch mechanism. Now to unfold it, you can press this button right here and it brings it down, or I mean, if you're quickly doing it, you can pull the buffer, the whole tube down, and if you swing it fast enough it snaps back into place. So I think this is the best fix for the new Kriss Vectors without the folding mechanism. It's not too bulky. It actually looks kind of like it was supposed to be there, you know. It's still kind of in line with the profile of the gun, so that's a good fix right there. SB Tactical BTFA. Right now it's on sale at Optics Planet at the time of making this video, but even if it's not on sale, I think it's still the best option for the Kriss Vector.